Do you suffer from snoring? It's not just a nuisance, but it can also have serious health implications. Snoring is associated with cardiac risks, memory weakness, and decreased cognitive ability. In fact, research shows that it can even shorten your lifespan. Snoring affects both men and women, and it's becoming increasingly common due to compromised diets and lifestyles. But the good news is that snoring is a treatable condition. In some cases, surgery may be necessary, but there are also simple remedies you can try. Snoring occurs when tissues in the upper airway vibrate, causing noisy breathing during sleep. There are several reasons why someone might snore, including obesity, smoking, alcoholism, nasal congestion, sleep apnea, insomnia, heart diseases, sinusitis, thyroid disorders, and high blood pressure. Here's a simple remedy to help combat and prevent snoring. Take 3 to 4 green cardamom, open the upper shells, add 1 glass of water, and boil it on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Drink it at bedtime, and regular consumption can help stop snoring. Don't let snoring go untreated. It's not just about the noise, it can have serious implications for your health. Addressing snoring can also help treat sleep apnea, high cholesterol, obesity, high blood pressure, and heart diseases.